Okay, so the other day, my husband was on YouTube watching this homesteading family in Oklahoma, and on their channel, they were doing a live stream, and they had people guess out a number to give away a free t-shirt, and my husband got the number right. So, this is from Rustic Woodwork YouTube channel, and my husband told me to go ahead and get the shirt for myself, so I did. Can't complain about a t-shirt. So here it is, Rustic Woodworking Family. Thank you guys for this t-shirt. This is awesome. And here's their card. Guys, check them out. Like, they make some of these awesome flags. Those are pretty cool. So yeah, check them out, guys.